Hello friends, this is Ruby and today I am going to import this schematic. Actually last 2 weeks back I have created a schematic, but I did not get the time to create the video. So I have today I'm going to show you how to create how to import this. Okay, so here in my last video I already showed how to create a schematic and assign the number, change the values and all. If you have not seen, please check my schematic creation using Padlogic video. And footprint creation and library creation, these and all I have already made the video. Please go through or go through that videos and all. So from here I am going to import this. So for this what I have to do here, see, for any schematic, any project, you need two inputs: schematic, that should be in PDF format or any other format, but schematic and bill of material. Here schematic I have already created, and so you can see here I have made one folder. I have made one folder that in that input, library, output, PCB, schematic, this and all are there. Okay, in input, what client will give or what you have. Suppose you are doing your own project, so you have taken a schematic from somewhere, so you save it in that input folder. In that input folder, schematic and BOM should be there. BOM is very necessary for creating, for making PCB design. Okay, because see that what footprints you are going to use, you should know. What package you are going to use, should know. So it should be there in the BOM. According to that, you will be assembled. That component should be assembled in the PCB. If it is like, see, package is not matching, then the whole PCB should be will be waste. Okay, so package and footprint should be correct every time. Footprint should be correct. Okay, so here that package is not mentioned, so what I am using, just temporary I am taking as per the schematic what is there in the library. Simply I am taking that one. See, R1, I will take a resistor, capacitor 0805, and what and all available in this library. I see now I am creating simple just a schematic and importing this one. If you have any doubt, anything regarding you are not able to import and all, so you just comment me and send me the question in comment section. I will just show you what is the mistake, what and all should be you have done the mistake and all. And one more thing, your component and footprint, this component and the footprint should be in the same library, otherwise it won't match and your connection should get delete. It would get delete, and you will get single net, like that error will come. Okay, so here that this footprint and component should be always in the same library. Suppose you are saving this in common and footprint is in user library, so it won't match. They will that PCB, this tool cannot match that and cannot import that one. Okay, so okay, now how to assign. So go to, just select this component and go to properties. Here PCB decal, see here 0805 I have assigned. It is already assigned before only. Suppose you want to change, you can go to browse and change anything. Change 0603, you can take anything, you can take. Okay, close it, this one. So 0805 already assigned, and suppose so many footprints of the same value resistors, here it is 27k. Same value resistors you can assign at one time, all part this time, and give OK, then close. Here in all resistors I am taking 0805 only, and for capacitors also 0805 only. So for that I will go to PCB decal 0805 all part this type. OK, close. 0603 also you can take. Here go to properties, PCB decal. Here through all components are there, you can take SMD also. Go to all libraries, apply, shift star, apply. See, so many came here. Okay, but I will use through hole here. Simply means package is not available, so I can make anything here. No, this is just for simple. I need to show, that is that's why I am taking it, because but now also I am saying package should be match BOM, package should be matched to the BOM. Okay, so like this only. So for everything that footprint is already done, process should be same to assigning the footprint. Okay, so now already I have assigned everything here. Okay, the process should is same here. Now to go how to create netlist, so go to tools, layout, netlist. Okay, where my schematic I have saved, no, it is in folder 401 schematic, so it should be saved in the same folder. Create, yes. So here I have created the schematic. This is the netlist. Okay, power and wrong because I have changed here, no, 12 volt, that so only that's why here it is showing no single or zero pin nets. So here I've generated already. Go to close it, go to pads layout, open the pads layout. If any question is there, suppose you are not able to import, some error is coming, please let me know. I will explain how. I will try to clear the error. I'll make the video how you can import and all, what the error is coming. New. Okay, file, import, and you have to go to your folder. So I have saved in video project 401 schematic. This is the netlist. So here imported already. So what you have to do, tools, go to disperse component. Yes, see, these are all components it came. Now see, for which is power net and ground net, what you will do, go to view nets. Okay, 12 volt, add, ground, add, 12 volt, just make it red color, ground, make it yellow color, apply. Okay, so you can check it here. I have imported, assigned that name. So ground and power I have assigned differently. Okay, so now I will save this, save as, not in schematic, just go to PCB, just save it _01 in PCB folder. It should be in PCB folder. Save. So now your project has been saved in your PCB folder. Okay, now I need to create board outline and all, board size and all, that client will give. Okay, that client will give what should be the board size and all. So in my next video I will show you uh, how to this one design rules, how to create, like see here, clearance and all you have to. This is by default, so by default it will be 6 mils. Okay, this also I need to tell you that. Second, constraint settings and all I will show you in my next video. Here it is in mils and grid is in 100. For that you go to options, see, you can check it here, 10. Here it is in mils. Okay, and for one thing I should tell you, for placement grid should be 25 and for routing grid should be 5 mils. Okay, so G space 25. Second, GD. Second, tools, options, mils in general. design grid, you just check it and just make it 25. 25, change it to 25, apply. Okay, so design grid should be in 25. Okay, now I will tell you how to create board outline. Okay, in my next video I will teach you how to create board outline, how to this one how to add how to place the components, routing and all. So thank you for watching. Soon I will publish my next video. Thank you so much.